is very important rule in 10th class, in 12th class, and this is an important rule in physics because it tells the direction of magnetic field around the current carrying conductor. So if we think or we can visualize that PQ is a straight conductor and we have connected this PQ with a battery, right? You can perform this simple activity at your home as well, and you must. So what it says that whenever there is a current flowing through a conductor, there is a magnetic field around it, and we know that if it is a straight conductor, the magnetic field around it is in the form of concentric circles. So what this rule says that when the current flows through a wire or straight conductor held in such a way, we will hold this conductor in such a way that our needle, we know that this is a magnetic needle, this is the pointer, and this is the tail of the magnetic needle, and this is the pointer end, and this is north, and this is because our magnetic needle is itself a small magnet. So this is the north end, this is the south end. So we will place the magnetic needle, or we will place this conductor in such a way that the current should enter the south tail of the magnetic needle, and it should move towards the north or the pointer of the magnetic needle. So when the current is flowing in this way, P to Q, then the needle will deflect towards the west. See, south, the current will flow from south to north, and the deflection in the needle is towards west. But here, students, the most important thing is that you have to place the needle above the wire. We know that the magnetic field around this straight conductor is in the form of concentric circles, and if you apply the thumb rule, you will see that this is how it is. If you imagine and curl your fingers, this field is curling towards you if you're watching this video. So when you place this needle above the wire, it will point towards the west. But when you will place it below the wire, it will point in the reverse order towards the east. So why it is happening? Because when you will place this needle above the wire, see, the magnetic field lines, they're coming towards you. Then it will be acting as they're coming from some north and towards the south, towards you. So they will deflect the needle in the west side. But when you will place the needle below the wire, it will deflect towards the east. This is the main thing, because when you perform this experiment, people forget to place the needle above the conductor. They place it below the conductor. That's why there is a deflection in the reverse direction. So the important thing is that you have to place the needle above the wire. Thank you.